The sun beat down on the endless rolling dunes, turning the vast sandbox into a shimmering golden prison. For the farm and safari animals, their usual enclosures had been replaced by a sea of sand, and the call of distant, greener horizons was too strong to ignore. Led by a clever sheep with a head for heights and a daring zebra board of stripes, a plan was hatched, not for rebellion. Lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting or sleeping. They're most active at night, nocturnal, when it's cooler for hunting. Lion cubs are born blind and helpless, with faint spots that fade as they grow. Lions live mostly in Africa, in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. A small population of Asiatic lions still survives in India's Gir forest. Polar bear is the largest bear species and the largest land carnivore on Earth. A large male can weigh as much as 10 grown men. Polar bear can consume over 100 pounds, 45 kilograms of blubber in one sitting. Polar bears are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Their greatest threat is climate change. Cows are mammals, which means they give birth to live babies and produce milk to feed them. Cows are one of the main sources of milk, butter, cheese, yogurt, and cream. A healthy dairy cow can produce over 25 liters, 6 gallons of milk per day. Cows have an excellent sense of smell. Sheep are domesticated mammals that have been raised by humans for thousands of years. Sheep belong to the same family as goats, called bovidae. A sheep's body is covered in thick wool, which keeps them warm in cold weather. Sheep have horizontal pupils, giving them a wide field of vision. Sheep chew cud, meaning they re-chew their food to help digestion. Bulls belong to the same species as cows, Bos taurus. Bulls are known for their muscular build, strength, and aggression. Bulls can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Bulls have thick necks and powerful shoulders. That's what gives them their strength. Horses have lived on Earth for over 50 million years. Horses belong to the Equidae family, along with zebras and donkeys. Horses usually live for 25 to 30 years, but some live even longer. Horses can see almost 360 degrees around them, but they have two blind spots, right in front of their nose and directly behind them. Goats are among the oldest domesticated animals, raised by humans for over 10,000 years. Goats belong to the same family as sheep, called bovidae. Goats are raised for milk, meat, wool, and companionship. Goats have rectangular pupils, which help them see a wide view, almost 320 degrees around. Giraffes were long thought to be mostly silent. However, recent research suggests they hum to each other, primarily at night, and they also communicate using snorts, grunts, and moans. Giraffes have the shortest sleep requirement of any mammal. Giraffe populations are declining, and they are classified as vulnerable to extinction. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans. Dogs have been living with humans for over 15,000 years. Dogs belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell, about 100,000 times stronger than humans. Ducks are aquatic birds that live near ponds, lakes, rivers, and marshes. They belong to the Anatidae family, which also includes geese and swans. Ducks have a special oil gland near their tails. This keeps them dry and warm, even when swimming all day. Ducks are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and small animals. Their diet includes grass, seeds, insects, snails, and small fish. This was the start of the Big Sandbox escape, a mission fueled by curiosity and the promise of pure, unbridled fun beyond the dunes. Their adventure was a parade of unlikely teamwork and sandy hijinks. The mighty elephants, using their trunks as powerful shovels,